Alright, this is Elizabeth Korte. We're going to do a repair on this area. There's other areas that we can probably try, but since these are missing over here, this seems like the most logical place. And hopefully I got my GoPro aimed right where you can see it. So I've got two shingles. I'm going to replace this one and this one here, which that's a remnant of an old shingle. See, these are brittle. You got to be careful not to tear them. Just pulled straight through. Damn. Oh, that's why. Alright, so this remnant of the shingle that was right here, all of this, I gotta get this row up right here to get to those nails. Just pulled through. That one pulled through as well. We're going to replace that one and that one. Now the shingles she's got on here are discontinued, so there's a size difference. You can see if I fit this one in here, actually overlaps. So we're gonna cut this guy off. Well, there we go. Used the wrong reference shingle. No matter. I do have another one in the truck, although I don't think I have this color. Nothing holding that little guy on. I'll make sure and nail him down. We can still use this guy. Because this cut is going to be up underneath the shingle. That one was easy because there's no shingle above it. This one, gonna be just slightly harder. Where are these rusted nails coming from? You can see already, hopefully my GoPro's on that, you can see how this guy's getting creased pretty badly from me having to bend it up. You can see where it bends right in here. Alright, got that guy in, so now we got to go back and put nails in the ones that we removed. This guy and this guy. We had to remove those to get the remnants of the other shingle out. I'm sure you can hear it, but every time I lift one of these up, a bunch of granules come off. So while I'm doing this, it's putting creases in these shingles. And same thing that happened with this previous repair down here. They had to lift up the shingles that were here to do this repair. And when they did, they creased them, and eventually these blew